up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. I'm on my way to Coachella. Extreme Muffler. I got my mini me with me in the back. So we got the oil changed on Raven today. I was at the dealership, Frederick and Laurel, and I'm telling you guys, they ain't have no inventory. This shortage is real. They probably had about 3 chargers out there, all V6s, a couple Chrysler 300s. That's about it. But and a few trucks and everything. So the shortage is real, guys. Like, so if you got your car, you think about getting rid of it, just head to one of these dealerships, man. They might give you a good deal on your vehicle. So it's definitely a good time to think about getting rid of the Scat. So I might have to take it up there. I just haven't decided yet. But in the meantime, we're headed to Coachella again because I ran into an issue with the Corsa Extreme. I only had it on the car for about a month and a half. And what happened was one of my mufflers broke apparently somehow. So it's making a rattling noise. And my exhaust just don't sound right. So what I did was I went up there. They checked it out for me. I'll show you guys a clip right here of what the noise sounded like on the car.
Get on that again. Hang on.
All right, there you go. That's what the car sounded like. So I reached out to Corsa Performance, because you know I ordered directly through them on their website. So I emailed them, or I submitted the claim for the warranty. I say maybe a couple days later, I sent the email, and immediately right after I sent that email, I got, you know, the message from them saying that they were going to ship the item and that it would be, you know, at my residence in a few days. And surprisingly, guys, like, this only took like a few days time, like from me submitting the claim, them reaching back out to me, and them having the product shipped and it arriving at my door. It literally took, from the day they shipped it, it took about 2 days to get to me. And like, much love to Corsa Performance and their whole team, you know, for just great customer service. When I did do the claim for the warranty, though, I did submit photos and the video that you guys just saw. So, you know, they had more than enough evidence showing that, you know, I got the exhaust system and the issues I was having. And they keep your information on file, so they know exactly who purchases the products from them. So to be able to, you know, handle the warranty, because it only stays with the owner. So let's say if I sold my car, this one or the Scat, you know, they both have Corsa Extreme on it, but anybody else wouldn't be able to claim, you know, the warranty on the exhaust system. So just be cognizant of that, guys. Like I said, we get ready to head up here right now. Me and my little Minnie, she back here playing around. But yeah, we get ready to get up here. I got the exhaust, the one muffler in my trunk. So they're gonna swap it out, you know, do what they gotta do, put it on, and we're gonna be good to go. Like I said, I don't like my car being messed up at all. I don't like my car sounding funny or anything. Like, it just sounds horrible. It almost sounds like when a muffler, you know, when somebody got a bad muffler on their car, that's what it sounds like. To me, I'm probably over exaggerating. It's probably not that bad because I still got one good functioning muffler on the car, but the other one, man, nah, it just don't sound right. Like, even when I accelerate, like, y'all hear that, it just sound bad. I don't like it, but obviously I can't blast it because I got my Mini in the car, and we don't want no child endangerment, so I'm not gonna do it. But you guys get my point. The car just does not sound fully functional, and we about to rectify that situation right now. So I'm probably like 2 minutes out, 3 minutes out from Coachella, out here in Rockville. If you guys want to check out my Corsa Extreme video with them doing the install, you can check that out. But these guys do great work, man, and they usually can get me in within at least 30 minutes. So it's a Monday, we're gonna see. Hopefully they're not crowded up here. I just want to get in, get them to swap this muffler out, and I can continue on with my day. I got things I gotta do. But I don't know what what'll happen if you have one bad muffler. I don't know if it'll damage your car, hurt your car, or anything. But you know, with supercharged cars and things like that, I don't want no inadequate airflow. So yeah, that's just me though. So if anybody know down below in the comment what would have happened to your car if you got one bad muffler, I'd like to know. Because I don't know if I'm damaging my car or when I go in the boost or what. You know what I mean? I'm not a mechanic. I have no idea what happens to a car when it's got this problem. So I know a lot of you guys out there, you mechanically sound. So yeah, drop a comment below. Tell me what can happen to your car if you keep running a bad muffler. Especially a boosted car, you know, supercharged or turbocharged. But we're pulling up right now. Like I said, hopefully they're not crowded. Doesn't look like it to me. But let's see. You eating your chips? Huh? You eating your chips? Was it leaking?
No. Rolling is out the battery.
You gotta cut it?
Yeah, because we welded.
I know.
When you went back?
Now they welded it. I know it sounds like crap. Wow, man. What is in there, man? Is there something in there?
Nah, I can't see it.
Can you see something?
Nah. It's inside the motor.
Yeah. You think somebody threw something in there?
Oh.
Come here. Stand right here. Stand right there. You YouTube famous. I got like 1,000 views on that video.
Really?
Yeah, the one you put the exhaust on. Yeah. That's why my buddy came up here, the one with the white Charger red eye. The white red eye that came up here with the black hood.
The black hood?
Yeah. Yeah, he came up here because he watched my video. That's my barber. Yeah, he was like, I'm going up there. I said, all right.
That's rude. You have to send one this one or not?
Huh?
You gotta send this one? You gotta send it back?
What the hell am I gonna do with that?
In the company, you gotta send it back or not?
I guess you can put it back in there.
No, you have to send when they
I don't know.
don't say nothing.
No. Yeah. I mean, you can put it back in there in case they tell me to send it back. I don't know. They didn't tell me nothing else. They just shipped me that one. I just want to know what's on the inside of there. There's some fire. Oh yeah. It's hot. It's real hot. It'll burn you. Don't let it touch you. Alright guys, everything's complete. He wrapped it up. He did a good job. The new muffler is installed. Sounds 100 times better. My mini me is in the back. She's asleep. But we about to get something to eat here. But hope you guys enjoyed this one. Until the next one, peace.